Good morning, Fred. This is how things are done at SongTime. When requested quotes received from you, we'll hand it to the quote team to work on the quote. And after the quotes are done, and luckily if you turn that into a purchase order, and then we will come to this sales support office where they will convert all your original drawing into our SongTime standard frame, where they'll remove all your titles, company information into our standard SongTime frame, drawing frame, so they can protect your sales information as a confidential reason. And then this office next to the sales office is the engineering office. I don't know what happened to the guy, but that's the office. Okay, this is second floor we're looking at right now. And coming down, we'll start from the manufacturing area on the first floor and moving our way up to back to the second floor. Sorry about the stability. I'm just using my cheap cell phone. Okay, this is the milling section where we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 milling machines. This one is the high speed milling machine they just brought in. So okay. And we also have like 2 of this kind of press that we use for tool trial, to try the tool for a customer's request when it's needed. And this is the table they assemble the tool. And this department, this section of first floor, is for optical grinding. Okay. And now we're entering the other team. This is EDM burning, where they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 EDM burning machines. This is the department head. Okay, let's move on. Oh, by the way, each team, they all have their own equipment, like the scope that you're looking at right now, just to check their dimension that they made. And afterwards they'll put their seal, their personal seal, just so everybody know who made that part at that stage. And moving on, we're now entering the department of wire cutting. This is a drill device, drill hole. Start, what do you call it? Start hole device. And then the wire cutting machine. And where they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have 7 wire cutting machine in this section. And as I told you earlier, this is the seal, the stamp. Like for this one, this is the person that will prepare the material on this day, started, and then grinding, and then milling, and now it's in the wire cutting. And for rush parts, they will put another stamp here, it says rush in Chinese, of course. And again, every section, every team, they have their own measuring equipment to check their work before they give it to the next station. And this is the production control department. Very busy department. Okay, let's go back to the second floor. Second floor mainly is the grinding department, service grinding department. And this little section is the laser engraving, just in case you want to mark something on your on all the parts that's going out. Surface grinding department, where they have like 35 grinding machines. Big and small. And like all the rest of the departments, they also have their own equipment to check their work. And temperatures is all set to 24 degrees centigrade. And sharing with the grinding, the QC department is also located on the second floor. This is the elevator that moves the parts, raw material up and down. And the QC department does the final quality control before the shipments get shipped out. This is the latest toy they got in from Kians. I was told it's like $50,000 US. Section head. Okay, this will conclude the tour for now. And if you have